watching the northern lights. Nature's fireworks.
They sure are pretty. Don't you think so, Liberty?
Oh, yeah, sure, absolutely. Ooh. It's marshmallow time! My own pup-friendly recipe.
Yum! I love marshmallows.
Ooh, I'd like a green one, please. Pink for me, please.
I'll take a blue one. Liberty?
I'm good.
You know, these marshmallows remind me of a story.
Ooh, is it a scary story? Every campfire needs a scary story.
Out in the icy Arctic mists and wailing winds, there lives a huge polar bear named Sweet Tooth. Ooh. He wanders the cold, searching for yummy treats. His powerful nose can sniff out sweets from miles away. So if you're ever camping and you find your treats missing, it just might mean Sweet Tooth is nearby.
Oh, Callie, it's okay. Sweet Tooth is just pretend. Right, Everest?
Oh, yeah. I mean, I think so.
Great! See, Callie? Nothing to worry about.
Liberty? Where did your marshmallows go?
Huh? They're gone!
Someone took the bowl of marshmallows, too.
Sweet Tooth!
Let's not panic. It might not be. Okay, everybody panic!
Wait, that's not a bear. That's a harp seal. And it sounds like a baby.
Well, I think we know who took our marshmallows.
He even smells like one.
Hey, that's what we should call him. Marshmallow, the seal.
What's he doing out here all alone?
He must have wandered away from his parents and gotten lost. Don't worry, we'll help you find your family. No marshmallow is too lost, no pup is too small. Come on, girls, follow me. Slow down!
Whoa, look out!
You remind me of a friend from home.
Yeah, maybe we should call you Marshall Mellow.
All right, team, we need to clean up Marshmallow and reunite him with his parents. They're probably worried sick about the little guy. So for this mission, we'll need Everest. You and I are going to use our mini vehicles to search for the harp seal family. Off the trail, Everest won't fail. And while we do that, Katie and Liberty can clean up Marshmallow and keep him company.
I'm ready to rinse.
This girl's got a comb.
Hey, girl!
All right, PAW Patrol is on a roll.
Come on, Marshmallow. Let's get you all cleaned up.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Shimmer and Shine YouTube channel for new videos every week and find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.